Welcome to Mojo Handicrafts, and today we will be learning how to decorate a jewelry box. Let me show you how it will look after the decoration. This is the look of the box, and let's begin. This is the jewelry box before decoration. Let me show you how it looks from inside. Here is a tray and a rod for hanging your bangles, and if you remove the tray it will be like this. So I will be using these materials for the box, and inside I've already painted. Nothing was there to show, so I've just painted it with the acrylic colors. You can also do that. And for the borders, I have just taken the side of the borders to stick. Before painting the inner side, I have cleaned it with Colleen, and then after cleaning I have stuck some border. That this is a paper border. I had got it from US when I had gone for my vacations. So I just removed little bit of one side and stuck it on the lid, and the thinner portion I have stuck in the lower side. And now the broader portion I will be sticking on the sides of the lower part. So this is how I'm covering it up. Now if you can see, I have covered the full portion. The full box is done. Actually I didn't want to make the full video of sticking because I have shown in so many of my videos how to do decoupage. This is basically decoupage only. So see, this is, I have covered all the corners also. You can't see the small pieces which I have stuck. It took a lot of time, but it's okay. Finally the outcome is very nice, so doesn't matter how much hard work I have done. So this is how it looks, and the top portion is to be done now. So I have just taken a little bit of my homemade chalk paint, and this is also chalk paint, homemade chalk paint. Now for the top inside, I am going to cover it with blue color because I don't want it to be any light color. Light color will become dirty faster. And just give strokes towards one side. Don't paint haphazardly. It will not give a nice finish. So I'm just giving strokes from one side and it is done. This is the inner tray. For inner tray, I've painted pink color for the sides and the border, and from inside I'm going to put a purple foam. Now for the top of the lid, I'm going to stick this Transfer Me sheet. I've removed the plastic from that. Now I'm dipping it in the water, and you have to dip it for few seconds, maybe 30 seconds. And here it goes. Just turn it upside down. I have already explained in my previous videos how to use Transfer Me sheet. Okay, now press it down gently on the base where you have to apply, and dab it with the cloth. Softly you have to dab, don't dab it very harshly. And once you have done, ta-da! This is the magic now. See, slowly you remove that and the picture has got transferred to the base. So this is how it looks. I am just in love with this Transfer Me sheet. It is so beautiful and so easy to do. Do give it a try. I have bought it from Crafter's Corner. This is another sheet of mosaic decoupage paper, and I will be using only the borders. The center flowers I'm not using. If you can see, there is a gap, white gap. From there I'm going to cut it, and I've already cut one piece, and this piece I'm going to use it for the border of my design. But before that, I'm going to stick some clay. This is the molded clay, my favorite clay, and this I'm going to stick all over wherever I want to stick the mosaic paper. I've already cut out, and then it will give a like this. It will give a 3D look. So this I've finished. Now I will be covering up the other sides also, and all the four corners will have this mosaic paper, and then It will give a frame kind of a look. I'm using soft pastels for covering the white portion, but this is not going to be the final finish. I will be using some acrylic color also. I just thought I had to give it a try with this soft pastels. So as I had already recorded the video, so I just thought maybe I'll show you how it is to be done, and if you don't like it, you can always change it. So I'm just applying the blue color all over the base wherever I feel. I'm taking blue color because my border is of blue color, so I just want to give it a matching look. Now I will just fix it with a spray. It is a fixative spray and it is used for charcoal and pastels. You get it in different types. One is for acrylic color also, that also I have. I'll show you in another video. And let it fix for some time so that it doesn't come on your hand. But I was not happy with this color. It was not even. So then I decided to apply some acrylic color on top of this. So this was a waste actually, but no, after applying the acrylic color, it gave a nice shade. Now let me show you how it is looking. See, this is how it will look. I have used ultramarine blue, so this is how it will look. Now you can see the beautiful flowers. I made these flowers, just tried to match it with my border on the sides, though it is not as good as the border, but still I have randomly made some flowers, and then I connected it with my gold branches, and then I made some green leaves, and this is the golden borders I will be sticking all around my box. So this is how it is going to look. I finished sticking all the embellishments, and I got these borders from Amazon. You can also try it from there. All my products generally I buy it from Amazon, except for the transfer sheet and the MDF wooden box, which I have used it here. And finally it is looking very beautiful. Actually, with your live eyes you can see the glitters all around. That border is really shining so beautifully. I'm really happy with that. Let me show you from inside. This is the tray. I have used purple foam inside that so that I can keep my jewelry properly, and inside also I have painted with the border with the color, and so it is done. You can gift it to your friends, to your relatives, or even keep it for yourself, but I am going to keep it for myself. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you have, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will be coming again with such beautiful videos. Till then, bye bye, take care.